What's up, everyone? This is CryptoWolves. Welcome back to the channel. We have another airdrop. This is for the stakers of Juno, Osmosis, and Regan. You will be eligible to claim this airdrop. There will also be a future airdrop for the Luna stakers. This is something interesting after the Luna collapse. So we will see how this is. Make sure to watch the full video so you know how to claim and potentially stake or provide liquidity for this airdrop. Alright. First, we will do some information about WMD. Will leverage blockchain protocols to protect and regenerate the world's ecosystems. They use technology to bring awareness and visibility to all humans about their surrounding environment and put a proper value on it. They provide a platform to make them an active contributors, not just limited to the scope of WMW or any one organization. But in the immense size of life itself, they seek to achieve harmony between nature and technology while rewarding everyone who has put their skin in the game, in any form under this belief system. So they are airdropping 65% of the total supply to Juno, Osmosis, and Regan stakers and validators. The snapshots were taken on May the 5th, 2022. So if you were staking before the snapshot, you will be able to claim this airdrop. You will have time until August 31, 2022 to claim the airdrop. This is exactly 20 days, 19 days from here. So at this moment, you will still have 19 days. If you're watching the video right now, you have 19 days left to claim this airdrop. So make sure to do it in time. The first thing we need to do is we go to this page. I will drop the link of this page in the description of my video. Make sure to use that. All right, now we come to the page. We will read this first. So the airdrop tokens will be vesting, meaning that they can be used for voting and staking from day one, but it will take a full year until they can all be freely transferred and sold. So for more information about the Fairdrop and its distribution, please check out Fairdrop docs. We will check this out in a minute. First, we are going to connect our wallet. You can see there's a total claim of 25 million right now. So if I check my wallet, you can see I'm eligible for a total of 490 Wynd. So let's click on to claim now. We just submit this. The switch your capital wallet. I'm going to put this on the lowest, approve. Now I need to confirm the transaction into my ledger. Doing this right now. It's a bit clicking. It can take like 10 seconds, something like that. Just click approve. All right. It should be confirming right now. You can also see if it would take too long, slow claim if you get errors. So we will see if we get an error, we will do the slow claim. And you will see they are here, they are counting down when the airdrop will end. So if you not claim in time, you will lose a part of it. While this is loading, I will check out the Fairdrop docs to know how the vesting is going. So the goals of the airdrop, Cosmos has many chains, many contributors in many different forms. That's true. Cosmos is a very big ecosystem. They are looking to avoid people who game the system and quickly dump any airdrop tokens. So for this reason, all airdrop tokens will be vesting. That's very good that it will take a full year in its vesting so the people cannot dump. I understand that because it has happened with a lot of projects. And in my opinion, there were a lot of projects who were very good. They had some very good ambition, use case, but it is a bit fucked up for the people who had the airdrop and they dumped it on the market and that dumped the token price, and so investors lost trust and everyone takes their bag and leave. And yeah, most of the people who leave, they don't come back because they basically got free money because of an airdrop. And yeah, then you see the project never taking off again. Maybe in the next bull run, we never know. But the chances are sometimes very small. But projects like Evmos that we had an airdrop from, you can check that out on my channel. So if you come to my channel, you will see here tutorial how to claim and stake. The Evmos airdrop is 11 days ago. So this one is really a very good chain. It's doing very good things and it has a lot of use case and a lot of people are using it, trusting the devs and trusting the team behind it. So this is a good one also in my opinion. If you take a look at the price, take that in mind. Just a quick update on Evmos. The price is still holding good. Make sure to stake your Evmos. There's an EPR of 346%. So you have 350% around that you get an EPR yearly. So if you're staking 100 euro, you receive 350 euros worth in a year, but you have to know there is price fluctuation. So you always have to look at how many tokens you have. So look at it. If you have 100 tokens, you will receive 350 tokens in a year. So you'll receive around 28 tokens a month. That's very nice because in 3 months you can get break even. So for the people who would invest now in Evmos, you could invest, stake it, and in 3 months you can get break even. Then you just sell all the rewards and then you let the free capital, you just let it stake further. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just leave a comment and I will explain it fully. Don't forget, Discord is coming. In the Discord will be everything you need to know, and I will follow up the community to help you out if you have any problems with the airdrops or something else in crypto, because sometimes it can be confusing or a little bit tacky. So now let's go further to the airdrop itself. If we take a look right here. So I did a bit research because there was a lot to read. You can see right here, the airdrop tokens will not be liquid until September the 1st, 2022. So not at this moment. So all the airdrop tokens will be subject to the same vesting rate. So they are talking about 25% of the airdrop claim on March 3rd, 2023. After that time, the DAO should have established solid use cases and market, and we speed up the vesting by a factor of 3 such that the entire airdrop claim is fully liquid by September the 1st, 2023. The core team will have the same curve but be delayed by 2 months to ensure they cannot swamp the early liquidity. They will vest the first 25% between November the 1st, 2022 and May the 1st, 2023, and a fully vest by November 1, 2023. So you can expect to have everything by November 1, 2023. So there is a possibility that this project will also do good because it looks that they really care about it and they are looking to not let people dump their tokens on the market. And you can see 25 of the tokens will initially be liquid for the foundation and used to seed liquidity on a DEX. The remaining 55% will be subjected to a vesting period. So we will see how this goes and we will keep you updated when it's time to claim the other 25% or how they are going to be doing it. Because here they were also talking about that it would be a bit the same like Asset Mental did their airdrop. I also covered this airdrop on my channel, so make sure to go check it out if you didn't claim this one. There's also staking opportunity for Asset Mental. Keep that in mind. So now let's go back to the page where we have claimed and we can see was submitted but was not yet found on the chain. You may want to check it later. There was a wait of 60 seconds. All right. So what we will do now is slow claim. Click onto that. Let's see how this goes. Now we click onto low, click approve. We are going to confirm this into the ledger. You just have to check the transaction and then click further on and then click onto approve into your ledger. All right, this is done. All right, it seemed it has worked. Now it was a bit too long, so I have to pause the video and I waited. Otherwise, you would watch the whole time on a blank screen and we don't want that. So we can see we have claimed our tokens, and to know how we claimed them, if it's sure or not, you can click right here, go to Juno, make sure that this is on. Show advanced IBC transfers. Make sure to put this on like this. If this is on, you would be able to see yourself on Juno, and you will see right here your tokens WND, 490 pieces. But as I said, it's not liquid until September the 1st, 2022. So keep that in mind. I will keep you updated on this channel, so make sure to subscribe that you don't miss this out when they are liquided and when we can claim the other parts of the airdrops, the remaining part. So keep that in mind. Also, if you don't want to miss out on all the other upcoming airdrops and some opportunities, also some technical analysis on crypto and on the overall crypto market, make sure to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, put on your notifications, and you will thank yourself in the future. That's what I promise to everyone who's watching. I will make you proud as a watcher of this channel. And I hope in the future to build great things for the people. This is not only for entertainment. This is educational, entertainment, and value for the community, for the people. So that's what we are about on this channel. Let me know if you're excited for the upcoming airdrops. Let me know which airdrop should I be looking at. I had somebody reacting right here on this video. Take a look at another airdrop he was talking about, and I'm gonna do that right away now. I'm gonna do it right away. It's 21 hours ago and I'm doing it right now. So stay tuned for this next video upcoming. And make sure to watch this video, people. What is this? 18 views, that's nothing. You should see this. You should see what I'm saying. Which targets we have. You can see this trend line. We are touching it the whole time. And we are still staying above this. If we look at the charts, look at it. We're still in the zone and we cannot break out. We retested this perfectly and we had a rejection. So make sure to stay ahead of the markets and follow this channel, and let's do this. Also, watch out in the thumbnail. We have an altcoin swing trade and you don't want to miss this one. And a hidden gem that everyone should know about because it has only a market cap of 48 million. That's nothing. So it can do an easy 20x, and then we have a market cap of 1 billion. So keep that in mind. There is some big potential. So don't miss out those videos. You will regret it in the future. That's what I'm saying. You can skip ahead, but make sure to get the information. Because we wolves, we don't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. We keep grinding in this bear market. So that was it for today. Make sure to tune in for the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.